Yes, dear students, today we will go through the fifth program of a C programming lab, that is how we can calculate a electricity bill. For example, everyone is using the electricity. The XYZ person, how many units he had used in his house and how much that charge it is. How you are going to calculate that electricity bill? You are through one C program. Today we will get to know, yes, the fifth program, that is electricity. So before I would like to go to this C program, let me give one example. So how generally we will calculate the electricity bill. For example, if I am using electricity in my house, yes, so the nearly, just you imagine that I had consumed 350 units, yes. So in this example, the first 200 units it will be calculated as 80 paise per unit. The first 200 it will be 80 paise per unit, and remaining after that 200 units, if you have consumed in between of 200 unit to 300 units, it will be 90 paise per unit. After that, more than 300 units if you utilized, that it will be considered as a 1 rupee per unit. This is how that calculation we are performing in this program. And one very important thing it is that for a meter rent as a minimum charge, meter charge it will be considered as 100 rupees per month. It is minimum, it is a rent. So let's concentrate on the program. Yes, so as you have written the header, the main function, first it is you have initialized or declaration as you have made, character, name, it is a size, it is 10, float, yes, floating point, unit, meter charge equals to 100. My dear students, please observe the meter charge, it is 100 rupees, it is I had declared. Why I had declared? Because minimum 100 rupees it will be the meter charge per month. So next, printf, enter a name and unit. So that consumer, the one who is using the electricity, that name and that how many units he had consumed. So for the name, percentage yes, for the how many units it is a percentage F, with respect to ampersand name and ampersand unit. Just to imagine that is a name, it is a Shankar. Just to imagine that the customer name, yes, it is Shankar. Next it is unit. How many units he had consumed? Just we should imagine he had used it as a 350 units. 350 units he had consumed. Next it is we need to calculate. You check the conditions. If unit is less than or equals to 200. My dear students, the unit, how much unit I had entered? It is 350. 350, is it less than or equals to 200? No, the condition it is false. Then it will not go inside the loop. If it is, for example, if the units are 150, as an example, if the units are 150, then it will go inside the meter charge. It will be minimum, how much I had specified here, meter charge minimum it is 100 rupees. How many units I took? 150, as I imagine, 150 into 80 paise. 150 into 80 paise, how much it is? 80 into 100 it is 80 rupees. 80 into 50 it is 80 paise into 50 it is 40 rupees. Total 150 into 0.80 it will becomes 120. 120 plus meter charge 100 rupees it will becomes 220. So total meter charge it will becomes 220 rupees that customer need to pay if he had utilized 150 units. Yes. So this is with respect to this units, it is less than or equals to 200. Next condition it is, else if, next condition, else if the units are greater than 200, if the units are greater than 200 and if the units are less than or equals to 300. If the customer has used units, yes, consumed units, if they are in between the 200 to 300 units, then this we need to use this formula. First it is a meter charge, it is 100 and plus 200 into 0.8. The 0.8 it is a 80 paise per unit for 200, first 200 units. Next remaining, the next remaining in between that 200 to 300 units. For example, you imagine the 260 units. the 260 minus 200. 260 minus 200, how much it will become? 60. The remaining 60 units we are calculating with a 90 paise per unit. 90 paise per unit. Yes. So this is the formula we will use to calculate if the units are range from 200 to 300. But in the example we had considered that Shankar has consumed 350 units. So the first 350, is it less than or equals to 200? The condition is not satisfied. Condition is false. Then you will not go inside this loop. Next, else if condition. If the units 350, is it greater than 200? Condition is false. If the 350, is it less than or equals to 300? Then condition it is false. Then we should go to the next else if condition. So next it is, how many units? As I had written 350. 350, is it greater than 300? 350, is it greater than 300? The condition is true. If the condition is true, yes, then we should go inside this. Yes, meter charge equal to 100 rupees. The 100 rupees is meter charge. The first to 200 it will be 80 paise, means 0.80. Just to imagine that first 80 paise that it will become 160 rupees. 80 paise into 200, it will become 160. Next, remaining that 100 into 90 paise, it will become 90. Yes, 160 plus 90. Yes, my dear students, we had calculated up to 300 units. Next, how much unit it is? 350 minus 300. 350 minus 300. So 350 minus 300, then what it will become? It is a 350 minus 300, it is 50. Yes. So remaining that 50 units, you are going to calculate with per unit 1 rupee. Multiplication of 1 rupee. 50 into 1, how much it will become? 50 into 1, it is 50 rupees. Yes, my dear students. Yes, 160 plus 90, how much it is? 250. 250 plus 50, it is how much? 300. 300 plus 100. 300 plus 100. Total the meter charge it is how much? Total the meter charges it is, in shortcut I will write it as, yes, meter charge equal to MC. Yes, MC equals to 400. MC equals to 400. That is a meter charge equals to 400. So as we calculated the meter charge. So next one more condition it is there here. Yes, my dear students, if the consumer had used the electricity and if the electricity bill it is more than 400, then extra 15%, 15% of the tax it will be, additionally it will be added. So extra 15%, 15% of the additional charges it will be applied when if the total amount is greater than or equals to 400. So next, what is that my calculated meter charge it is? Meter charge is 400. 400 it is less than or equals to 400. 400 it is less than or equals to 400. The condition it is true or false? The condition is true. Then I should go to this next statement. So how much that meter charge it is? Meter charge how much it is? 400. As it is updated 400, yes or no? Currently the meter charge it is how much? It is 400. 400 plus meter charge 400 into 0.15. 400 into 0.15. So multiplication when you will do this 15, then it will become 60 rupees. 0.15 into 400 it is 60 rupees. 400 plus 60 it will become 460. 400 plus 60 it will become 460. The updated meter charge it is 460 rupees. So how you are going to prove that? So as we calculated total it is a 460 rupees charge. So next it is you need to display that complete details of the customer and how many units he had consumed and what is his electricity bill amount. Next, name, percentage of S, number of units he consumed, percentage F. Next, it is a meter charge, percentage of F. First we need to display the name. Yes, just that you should take it in how output it will comes, my dear students, how output it will get printed. So name means it will be printed as a Shankar, because I had given as a name as Shankar. Next, how many units he consumed? It is 350 units he consumed. Next, it is a meter charge. How much it is the meter charge? It will be 460 rupees. 460 rupees. So this is you are going to print, yes, in a program. Yes. So this is a electricity program. So the how you are going to generate a electricity bill for the customer. Thank you everyone.